What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today I wanted to do something I've never done before. I wanted to try to paint a landscape on this 10 by 10 canvas using a bunch of different colors and different techniques of the bloom pour. It's something I've never done before, but I thought it would be super exciting, so that is what we're doing today. Colors we're using are, I have a whole bunch of them, so bear with me, guys. We have burnt umber, burnt sienna, and raw sienna. I was thinking that would give the woodsy look. Then I wanted some colors maybe that would look like vines, so phthalo green, emerald green, and fluorescent green. And then if I wanted to do some flowers or something on the tree limbs, I was going to use quinacridone magenta, medium magenta, and rose pink. And then my typical black cell activator with all those colors. So with that, let's get the base coat down. Now this is going to have to take a couple different techniques probably. So this first part, I want to spin it. So we're going to do that. I basically want to swipe a very small line and then stretch it so that it gives me maybe like a tree look, kinda, if that makes sense. I think it does. But I've never done something where I was aiming to get, you know, a natural look to my blooms. So kind of felt inspired today and just wanted to give it a try. And it might work, it might not. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, that's fine. So I was thinking brown could be the very outside edge. And then maybe we have like a little bit of sunlight come into this side. So this is the side with the sunlight, so try to make it a little bit lighter than the rest. And then maybe to get a kind of a vine look. To be completely honest, y'all, I have no idea what this is going to end up looking like. But you only know if you try. So kind of like vine. I know it's super pattern-like and nothing in nature grows that way. But I don't know. We're just going to have fun with this guy. See what we can get out of it. I think it's going to be pretty cool. But we shall see. So I hope everybody's doing wonderful today. I'm having a pretty good day. The heat is here, the summer's here, so y'all know me. I'm happy. It's warm. I'm not dealing with no frigid winter temperatures, because that's something I really don't enjoy. Alright, so right now I'm just taking my swipe tool that I'm going to use and getting the cell activator on it. Alright, so we're going to take and do our swipe. Alright, there's our swipe. I think it's in a pretty good spot too, as far as where that tree trunk would be. And the vine didn't come out too bad because it dragged it dragged the others along with it and kind of incorporated the green into the brown, which that's super cool. Alright, so I know I want most of this off and then some of this can come off. But I also know where I want it to go. And when it does shift, I want it to come to this side. So I have all this to work with right here. Just gonna add a little bit of paint. Try to help it get its way over there. The other side I'm not concerned with. It'll fill up just fine. All right, so maybe just a little. All right, cool. And let me start it in the right direction. There we go. And I'll just give it gentle spins until it gets right about where I want it to be. Look at that, that is cool. It does kind of look like a vine. That's insane. Maybe just a little more. I don't want it to go all the way off the edge. If I can help it. That's so cool. I love it. So the other techniques, they're not going to require me to spin it. So I'm going to get it out of this tray, open up some space so everybody can see this thing better as it goes along. All right, and we're back, finally. There's a lot of stuff to move. Okay, so these droppers, they're not cooperating. That's okay. I was thinking of maybe putting like drops, kinda, and then using a skewer to draw out the branch. You know what I might do? Just like that. So I can trail it off. Yeah, I think this is gonna be cool. Because then I could skewer through it a couple times. How'd you not drink some paint, my friend? Come on now. You're being counterproductive. Alright. I know, I'm doing the branches the same way I did the vine. Which is okay. How do they all empty out? Well, this one's not going according to plan, y'all. But it's a good little challenge, and I'm really grateful to get to try it. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, they're not cooperating. So what I am gonna do though is grab my skewers and kinda just do the thing, you know? I need a paper towel. Got one. Alright, and then just let's see if we can get a lively little tree branch out of this. I'm trying to kind of make it look just a little more natural. Not as rounded out. You know what I mean? Kind of moderately. There you go. Those look like little trees. All right. Shoot, I could probably do the same thing with a little bit of greens, huh? Let's make some little feathers. Feathers. Leaves. That's what I meant. Y'all know what I mean. One reason this is like really fun right now is because it doesn't have to be anything. Like I have a vague idea, but there's not really any pressure. It's not like I'm like really good at this and don't want to mess it up. Feels really good to just kind of go with the flow here. And just make things. That's kind of nifty looking, huh? It's rather nifty looking, I must say. I'm liking it. And the green's mixing in a little tiny bit with the brown there and creating something totally different. Oh man, like doing it really fast like that kind of helps that white incorporate and break it up a little bit more. That's cool. It's like almost like little growths. Well, now I have to do it to all of them though. Without losing it all. There we go. All right, one thing I need is one extra dropper, I think, for the cell activator. Because my intention is to blow like a bloom here and maybe here and trying to blow out the bloom and see what we can get. But so far it's looking pretty cool for like a spur of the moment kind of let's do this type of painting. I'm liking it. Guys, I'm using so many colors in this. This is not a color palette that I would have picked for myself really, but we got it. I think if I just drip it off a popsicle stick, that would be fine. Like with my original blooms, where I was just dripping it off the stick into a puddle. It's going to be a fairly small bloom, but that's okay. That's the point, I think, right? All right. A little bit of pink, and then we can get some of our cell activator. Uh-oh, this is going to be dope. I know my big head's in the way, guys. I apologize. There's one. Ooh, these colors. Yes, sir. Those are nice. Wow. Okay. Stop looking at it, Johnny. And do another one. I'm gonna put it right on the end of this tree branch right here. A little bit more of this quinacridone magenta. There we go. That was a decent amount of that. So I have to really tone it down with this pink for sure. Because I don't want it to take over. I want it to be like an accent. And that's it. So cool. Alright, let's blow that little one out. That is so cool looking. I love this. That is crazy. Wow. I do have one idea though to further kind of embellish this just a little. I will need another popsicle stick. It's just a quick idea. I'm hoping it'll turn out well. I think it's gonna look really cool. So I want to make petals. Kind of coming back towards the center. Whoa. This is cool. This is so much fun. This kind of opens up a whole new thing though. Then I might be able to try like all kinds of different landscapes. Because this is, I'm not gonna lie, this is way better than I thought it was gonna be. I love this. It legit looks like kind of trees with a flower. And it's just all different variations of a bloom. That's nuts. I want to bring you guys down so we can all, check this thing out. Wow. And right here you can see the tree bark with that little vine. Got a really cool gradient in that green too. And our little cute little tree branches. Going over to these just lovely blooms right here. I'm loving this one, y'all. What do y'all think? I might want to do this again sometime soon.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.